Bill Gaylord here with the American Dream. We're going to have such a fun day today. We're going to go visit with Kyle Mayer of the Mayer Sullivan Group, power player of Las Vegas, and he's going to share with us his story and what his American dream is. Let's go find Kyle.
Bill, come on in. Meet my wife. This is Shalise.
Hi.
Shalise,
Hi.
This is Bill.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Great to meet you.
Thanks for coming to see our house.
Oh my God, I can't wait to hear all about it, your story, the passion that you put into this place.
Yeah.
It's truly your American dream, right?
Absolutely. It's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
And time.
And time,
money,
energy.
And so
We're coming up on our first year of ownership. We moved into it last October.
Well, Shalise, take us on a tour. I
Yeah.
want to see this place.
Okay, this is my favorite room of the house.
Yes.
It used to be a U-shape, and now we have this huge island. I love to be able to see the kids and have everything open.
And how many kids do you have?
Right now,
Yeah.
4.5.
4.5. That looks
This
more
is
than
much
a
more
half.
than a half.
That looks more than a half.
3
That's
weeks.
amazing. You need this big space for that.
Watch your step here.
Okay.
We expanded the hallway all the way down, opened it up, moved walls back and forth. So if you come into the master, right behind where our bed is used to be a sliding door outside.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, so that was a big sliding door. We closed that up and made 2 windows to kind of feature. I mean, it's not a big home. It's just about 2,300 square feet. And this is, our most famous post online when we were documenting all the rehab was our painters painted the whole house pink.
Yeah.
When all we wanted was this ceiling.
So down here, it used to be just a hall, closet, laundry room, and we have lots of kids, so I'm doing laundry a lot. So we decided to make a full laundry room.
Because of the baby, we've got the 3 boys all kind of bulked up in this room, but this is actually the biggest room in the house.
Right.
All the plumbing is brand new, all the electrical is brand new, insulation's brand new, drywall's brand new, most of the stucco is brand new, everything.
That's
Yeah.
amazing. I
So-
can feel the passion that you put into this. And you
It was.
have no plans on moving,
No.
No.
right?
We
This
got
is
a
it.
lot.
You got a lot of stuff.
We got a lot of stuff to do in the backyard.
Yeah, well, let's go check that out.
Yeah.
Backyard. So obviously there's still a lot to do in the backyard, but I got my board shorts on because we got the pool finished.
Ready to go.
So we're doing a huge grass area with some trees on the outside, just to give our kids a lot of space to.
Nice.
Yeah, it's park style.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so cool what you guys have back here to work with.
So we added a few of these little berms because the kids, just make it more
I
fun.
can see them.
They put
doing
plywood
jumps,
out
yeah,
here
they're
and
good.
jump stuff.
Right, right.
All right, so here's almost completed.
Kyle's other favorite feature.
This is my favorite feature outside.
This is so cool.
This should seat about 80 people,
80?
and it's a 4-foot wide fire ring in the
Oh
middle.
my goodness. Is it like 2 levels or what?
Yeah, so the outside level will be up 18 inches, so you'll
Right.
sit on it, and this will be the regular ground, and then there'll be 2 steps in.
2 steps in.
To the sunken section in the middle.
Oh, really cool.
Yeah.
That was a great idea. This is like a big park.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huge
we want,
park.
We want our kids to be here. We want their friends to be here.
Right.
We don't want
Spend
them
time
gone.
here.
Yeah.
You can keep an eye out on them,
Yep.
see what's going on, relax underneath your porch.
Exactly.
The baby is going to have a unique life, I think, growing up in a place like this.
And then over here, we're planning to do our chicken coop, our garden beds, and a bunch of fruit trees.
No kidding. Chicken
So,
coop. How many chickens are you gonna have?
I don't know, like probably a dozen.
yeah,
That's awesome.
yeah.
Hey, keep the dust down over there, sir. Put some pine trees back here. A little bow and arrow archery target with the hay bales. We'll put that up against the wall. They can shoot their bow and arrows.
This is like a kid's dream, right? I mean, who wouldn't want to grow up in this?
When I'm
Yeah.
a kid, so it's like my dream.
You're a big kid. Instead of 4.5 kids, almost 5, you have 6.
That's right.
Yep.
Wow, that's great. That's great.
All right, well, let's go jump in the pool.
Okay.
So, Bill, this is another one of my favorite parts of the house, the pool.
The pool.
Yeah.
I love it.
I
Look how-
designed this And I designed it, well, Lisa and I both had this idea to make a pool that was functional for all age groups, right? So we got the big wet deck for
Right.
little kids with little fountain bubbler things. And then we got a platform up there for kids to jump in.
Right.
And then we've got a 6-foot deep section that we can add like a volleyball net or something for like teenagers and stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming and checking it out.
Well, thanks for sharing your American dream with us.
You're welcome.
It was fun.
Anytime. Here, hold my hat, babe. Let's do this.